Everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration Decor and Designs, and my name is Phyllis. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I will be installing a Westinghouse Recessed Light Converter. I will be taking down a chandelier that I put up in my kitchen using this and reinstalling it, and I'll be explaining as to why I'm taking it down and putting it back up. This is not a tutorial. I'm just going to be sharing with you how I did this, as well as including the video if you're interested in doing the same to yours. And I want to thank you for stopping by. Hey everyone, I thought I'd come in and share that I put this chandelier up that I got from Amazon. I ordered it late part of 2021, and it was the last one left, $75, and I'll just flash the screen across. But I called my dad, and this was about a month ago that I put this up, and he helped me via video, helped me put it up and told me what to do. The only thing that's aggravating me now, and I'm getting ready to go back up here and take it down and put it right back up again, is that you see how there is space. Let me get my finger. Yeah, space right there. It's not falling. It's just hanging there, and it's tight because of the nut and everything. And then the little orange nuts in there, I have to buy some white ones so it can blend in until I can figure out how to hide those. I didn't get back up there the next day because my arms were so tired. It took me literally all day to do this. Not all day, maybe about 4 hours, because I did it by myself. That's why you see the stool here on top of my island, and then the ladder there. So I'm going to show you how I put it in. I'm going to go and turn the power off, and then I have the living room light on to give brightness so you can see what I'm doing. I have my entry light on, and then the ring light so you can see, and then I will let you see how I put this together. I also have the video clip from Amazon that I can kind of do a little quick snapshot or screenshot, screen recorder, I'm sorry, screen recording, to show you how I put that together. Okay, the power is off, so the first thing I do is just take all of these bulbs and everything down. Little gadget here, even though the power is off, I'm still going to test it. And what happens is that this will light up, and when it lights up, I think when it turns red, it means stop, there's power. Green means it's okay to go. That's how I relate it. My little tester. Well, I have the nuts on here, so that's going on. So I am safe to go. Let's see if I can bring y'all up and show you what I'm trying to do here. So I put this hook there to hold the chandelier for me so that I can push this up and It has to be flushed to the wall. Let me put this, I'm trying to see if I can give y'all some light. There it is. Okay. So I put this up there, and it's the hook is not going to stay up there. It's just holding the chandelier for me, because this was not flush to the wall. This was hanging down. This was hanging down, and it's supposed to be flush to the wall like it is now. And then what I had to do is match this to that hole, match this hole to a hole in here that you can't see, to go through, and it's with self drilling screws. So I have my drill charging up, and then once I do that, I'm able to put this with that hole and drill that in, and then that would allow me to put this ring around here and then just flush everything to the ceiling. Again, the reason why this wasn't flush to the ceiling, because this side was hanging down. So I'm getting ready to do that, and I'll show. I can't hold the camera up and show that to you all at the same time, so so I decided just to take the whole thing down out of the ceiling. I took all the crystals off and everything. So I'm starting fresh all over again. I'm looking at the video how to install it, and it tells me to install the pigtail that came with it. So I'm starting fresh so you all can watch me do this. And I'm pausing in between each step on the video. So this is called the pigtail, and install that first.
This is a socket pigtail. Gets screwed into the recessed light medium-based socket. Next, we want to install the pigtail.
Okay. Installing the pigtail. Hold on. Okay, I got everything in. I now got the brackets on the outside. This is on the outside. And I've gotten this on, so now it's telling me that I need to secure this. And it just goes around this, and I have to feed the wires through it. So when I've done that, I'll come back. Okay, now that I have all of that there, I got this ready, which is what holds the what do you call it, the chandelier. And I'm getting ready to put on the medallion that came with the Westinghouse light kit, and then this silver part that came with the chandelier. I forgot to show you all too that the wires, I brought the wires through this tube metalite thing here, and then I'm going to connect. Let me see if I can show you. Yes, I can show you here. This goes to the copper wire, and then each one of these will go to the black, and one of these will go to the white, and then I'll put the orange caps that I had on them. Hold on, I gotta find them. Okay, now I'm going to attach the medallion and the silver plates of the chandelier. Here, the part that holds the chandelier, I didn't twist it up far enough. It should have went all the way up to the bolt, but it's an easy fix, and I'm going to be showing you how I corrected that here in just a minute. I did something backwards because, alrighty, when I figure it out, I'll let you know. So here's what it was. This piece here, I'm supposed to turn it until it goes all the way up to the nuts, all the way. And then tighten it. And then I can put the other things on. Alrighty, now medallion and the lighting cover. Wires through positive, negative, and copper. And then this here holds that, all of that up. I'm going to thread it with the pliers just to make sure that it is tightened. Okay, good. It's flushed. That's more flushed now than it was. What I'm going to do is take the chain piece, and I got another link, not a chain piece, but a link and one more link. I cut all the other links off because I didn't want this to hang down too low. And once I put this up here, then I can connect the wires. So put this up here, close it with the wrench, then I can connect the wires. Okay, now I got to connect the wires. So first, and I hate it because they're going to be showing, but I'm going to kind of put them through here where they're not showing too much. I am connecting the silver with the copper, twisting it. Okay. And then close these arms of the chandeliers, and then I have to connect the white with one of these wires and twist it. And when I twist it, then I put one of these caps on the end and twist it some more. Put it inside and twist it till it can't twist anymore. What my dad taught me. Okay, it's nice and snug. I'm gonna do the same with this. First, I'm twisting the wires by themselves so it's not fraying. And then I'm going to twist them together. And then piece there and twist till it goes up. And twist until I can't twist anymore. Now, what I did to hide these wires, I just put it in here. I'm going to figure out something to do to either go and get some some white caps or some orange, something decorative. Now I'm going to open up the arms. That looks really tacky. But knowing me as a DIYer, I'm proud of myself that it's the first time. Now the real test is when I go turn the switch back on. But let me take the arms out first. And then I will go turn the breaker back on. Put the bulbs in. Put one bulb in first. I did it. See those orange, whatever you call them up there, may not be pretty, but I did it. Thank you, Lord. I did it. I did it. I did it. That looks a mess right there. I'll figure out something. Me being a DIYer, I'll figure out something to cover up them things, or just buy some white ones. But I did it from scratch, from beginning to end. And that's flushed better. Before it was like really hanging where you saw the silver and everything. But that's a lot better. So proud of myself. Now I'm going to put it back together. Okay, there it is, all hung up. Like I said, I'm going to get that chandelier cover. They're the chain covers. I'm going to get one, cut it just the length of that to hide those orange things. I'm going to make it white so it can blend in. But I'm so proud of myself. Like I said, these came with shades. And I'm going to get the shades and put on there so you all can see, but they just don't sit on there right. After a while, they start leaning. Okay, here are the shades. I don't like them like this one. I put it on straight and already it's leaning. Let me see if I can get down and let you see. You see how it's not centered? I don't know if you can tell. And it's leaning back. But that's my chandelier that I bought in the late 2021, and my dad helped me put it up, or he talked me through it through video about 2 months ago. And because that part up there was not flushed all the way to the ceiling, it just bothered me, and I just took it down and said, okay, I'm gonna do this myself. So it turned out nice, and I'm taking the shades off and I'll use them for something else. So if you are new here to my channel and this video piqued your interest, take a look at a few of my other videos in my playlist and consider subscribing if you like what you see. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please share it with your friends and families, and I would love to read your comments. And to my faithful subscribers, again, thank you so much for your viewing support. I want to thank you all again for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.